Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your email address on GoCardless, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser, and now you need to search for the GoCardless in Google. So once you do that, you can see there is a link at top on in the screen, so let's tap on that GoCardless and you'll be redirected to the official page of the GoCardless. So let me first log in. So you can see there is a three lines at the top left corner, so let's tap on that three lines and let me tap on the login. Now you can see it is asking us for our email address and our password, so let me complete my credentials first. So now you can see I have already logged in, and you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the GoCardless in here. So if you want to change your email address, then you can see there is a settings option at the top right corner of this GoCardless dashboard. So let's tap on that settings icon and let's tap on the user settings. And finally, you can see there is a email address at the bottom of this section. So you simply need to tap on the email address and you can modify your email address from here. So once you do that, you can simply tap on the save changes, and yeah, you will be able to change your email address successfully once you verify yourself. So basically this is how you can change your email address on GoCardless, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.